Email security isn't just an option, it's a crucial necessity for your business success. With EasyDMARC, safeguarding your domain against phishing and spoofing has never been easier. This all-in-one DMARC platform simplifies your email security journey without needing deep technical expertise. Imagine effortlessly managing your email authentication while eliminating any potential threats to your business. EasyDMARC automates essential tasks like monitoring, alerting, and reporting on your email domain's status. Protecting your brand against cyber threats boosts your email deliverability and builds trust with customers. With over 20 specialized tools, EasyDMARC streamlines your journey to DMARC compliance. Enjoy real-time monitoring and smart reporting, allowing you to detect suspicious activities immediately. You can integrate EasyDMARC smoothly into your existing systems without any disruptive changes. Join the thousands of businesses benefiting from EasyDMARC's expertise and revolutionary email security solutions.